Welcome to Wagwan Dancehall with Lex, giving you the best and the real and the real. Cranium has made a few changes to his Instagram in promotion of his new album called Midnight Sparks, which will be releasing on December 6th. This past Friday, Spice drops 2 new products with her beauty line, Faces and Laces. In addition to wigs, she has now dropped a makeup palette called Piano and a brush mic set. The palette colors are inspired by names of Spice's well-known songs, including She, Genie, include the mic brush set comes with 7 beauty brushes and is also colored with Spice's vibrant blue. This past weekend, Aishana, Rying, King, D'Angel, and Governor was supposed to perform at National Park in Guyana, but it seems as if not every single artist was able to perform.
I don't know, Guyana. Rying King come to on live and make you know, so God know the promoter, no need to go get back on the money. You understand? Because I just say the whole house full now, no forward to see Rying King, not just Rying King alone, but the artists them were forward from Jamaica. You don't know if you put in the energy and perform for you. You understand? And unfortunately, I can see them do some wrong bang thing because you see at the gate, they try to say police are like a show and nothing like that, you know. Nobody don't show up at the hotel. And
right, it's a FBS Entertainment and DJ Garwin from Guyana. They are all scammers. You know, so we get ready for the show. Them say pick up time at 12:30. You don't see me come out to them outfit and shenanigans and them something there, ready to come and perform for my fans that I haven't seen for many years. And you know, so them not come pick me up though. Them scam we and dish with dirt. No artists to perform. Them not come pick we up, not at all. Show sold out. They make them money and everything and look at we and give we balance now. Not at all.
Sika Rams, who is the VP of the Gaza camp, was reported to be shot while riding a motorcycle in Jamaica. His condition is considered critical and there has been no news updated reports. We wish you all the best and hope for a speedy recovery. Ryno came to Instagram stating that he was in an accident this past weekend, but he is okay. He posted this on Instagram stating that he is thankful. We wish Ryno all the best and hope he has a speedy recovery as well. Blessings for Coffee once again for being awarded for the Prime Minister's Youth Award for Excellence in Arts and Culture. Coffee also has been nominated for her EP Rapture for the Grammy nominations. Blak Ryno is now part of the Grammy nominations with his writing contribution to Afrobeats artist Burna Boy's album African Giant. He posted this on Instagram expressing his thoughts in regards of why he has not received any media recognition for this nomination. Red Bull released a documentary on the culture of dancehall called Displays. The story is told by current icons in dancehall culture from artists and producers. You can check that out on their website. But that is it for Wagwan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.